video is going to guide you through how to create a SD card to get your Raspberry Pi up and running. Right, so here I have a picture of my Raspberry Pi, the front and back, and you can see that in the back there is just this one place that you need to put a micro SD card in there in order to run the Raspberry Pi. Now the Raspberry Pi must have one Linux operating system installed in order to get it up and running, right? So the way that you get the operating system is by going to the Raspberry Pi website, and on that website, on the downloads page, you can download two of the official installation, Noobs or Raspbian. Raspbian is the one that I use, and if you go down, you can see there's other images that you can download from Ubuntu and others, right? But again, Raspbian is the one that I use the most, so then normally I download that one. And once you have this image, you have to create a SD card with that image, right? And the program that I use is called Etcher, right? So if you go to Google and you search for Etcher, right, you can see the first link, right? Once you go there, you can download that program, right? And once you have that program, right, installed, you can bring it up, and then from there you can select the image, right? And you can either use the one that you just downloaded, or you can actually use an image that you backed up from another SD card that you already have pre-installed, right? The reason why you may want to use a backup image is because you already have all the software installed and all the security updates installed, right? So you don't want to have to go through that process again, right? But in this case, I would choose the one that I just downloaded, right? And once I download that, you can choose which micro SD card you want to flash, right? And from there, once you choose that, then you can just choose flash, right? And this will basically go through the process of putting the image on the SD card. And once that's done, which should take about a few minutes, once that's done, you can just plug it into the back of the Raspberry Pi, like I did here, and then plug in the power, and then everything should be good to go. So that's how you're going to create a micro SD card with a Raspberry Pi image.